Hello and welcome to the special interview on Dev Sports. I'm Snehashish Mukherjee, and today I have been joined by a young talent from West Bengal, hailing from our West Bengal. You can say Ghar ki beti, and at such a young age, she is making big headlines. If you ask me, under 12, under 14 levels, she is going into the tournaments and she is doing like this, saying winning tournaments like this. She is playing the tennis competitions and currently few weeks back she was ranked number one in India in the under 12 category in tennis AITA ranking, that is we all know, and currently she is at number 2, and I know that whenever she is back in action she will definitely get back to that number 1 position. So thank you Priyanshi for joining in, and thank you Niladri sir for joining in, Priyanshi's father.
Welcome.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Priyanshi, I will start with you. Priyanshi, at what age you started your tennis career? You started playing tennis, and what helped you to grow interest over the sport?
I started playing at the age of 3. I was playing in ordnance club to the age of 6. After that, I started playing professionally and joined the tennis team. When I was a kid, I was very fond of sports. I tried many things like singing and dancing, even other sports, but I love the tennis most.
Yes, yes. Can you share the process of the training that you undergo every day, like for your preparation?
My coach, I train at Future Pros Tennis Academy currently now. So my coach is Surya Pavan sir. So I train 4 hours in the morning and 1 hour 30 minutes in the evening fitness. Undergoing with the Mohan Krishna sir.
Okay. And how supportive have your parents been? Like your father, I know that how supportive he has been, and how supportive as a whole family.
My parents have been very supportive. Even though I lose, they keep me like motivating for the next.
Yes. Okay, sir. Now I will get back. I will talk to you. Like how proud are you seeing her progress so far? She is going winning every tournaments, and that consistency is very difficult. It's different thing that winning one competition, but the way she is playing, she's going winning every competition that she is playing. How proud you are as a family, you as a parent over her consistency so far.
Yeah, actually, I want to start with the beginning.
Yeah.
When she was 6 years old, her hand-eye coordination was very good. So I decided to
Mm.
give her professional tennis training at the tennis street at
Mm.
Park Street under the grassroots program. So the coach was Farid Alam and Shivika Burman. At that time, Shivika Burman was the Indian team coach at that time. So that the basics of 6 to 10 years give her immense platform to play tennis at the professional level. And then after
Mm.
coming to Hyderabad, coach Surya Pavan sir taught her to attack and defense technique. And from that, the
Mm.
mentality she
Mm.
was very good at she has very good consistency. Now current
Okay.
in the nationals was in Mumbai. So in the Mumbai nationals, a single point of 20 minutes with 400 rallies she got with
Mm.
the both the partners got, but without missing a 20 minutes point. You can imagine how much important to play a single point of 20 minutes. So I am
Mm.
very proud of her that she has been achieved the India under one ranking for 3 months continuously and selected for the Indian team as a first girl from West Bengal.
Okay. Okay. Priyanshi, the next question for you. Any, tennis superstar, former or maybe current players, it can be male or female, that you follow or you get inspired from?
Yes, I love watching Sania Mirza and Arena Sabalenka. I love
Okay.
Sania Mirza's powerful forehand. She has the best, like, powerful forehand. And
Mm.
Sabalenka's powerful baseline game. It really inspires me a lot.
Okay, okay, okay. And also, Priyanshi, I saw a picture of you. I think getting some award from Leander Pace. I think after any competition or something. Did you had any interaction with Leander Pace, sir? Can you share that?
Yes, when I won my first tournament in Saturday Club at 2024, I won under 10 and under 12. That time I met Leander Pace. He wished me very all the best in for for my future career. Uh, I want to win Olympic medal like him one day.
Mm. Yes, yes, absolutely. That's the big dream. I will come to that. But Priyanshi, you play both singles and doubles also. But personally, what you prefer most, singles or doubles, or both? You can say.
Actually, I really like both. I love
Mm.
playing doubles. I really enjoy it with my doubles partner
Mm.
Ruhi Singh. In singles,
Mm.
I love the challenge, and I love to fight in the court like alone for myself.
Yes. But at such a young age, Priyanshi, I think it must be very tough to have the balance between study and the sport. So how are you managing that?
Yes, it is very tough. Before I was in offline schooling, and I was in APT school in Salt Lake. Ma'am, the principal ma'am supported me a lot because I used to go for tournaments outside. And
Mm.
so in the exam times, I couldn't give exams. So I used to give afterwards. But then
Mm.
it was like really tough for me to manage. So I shifted to online school, Orchid International
Okay.
School. So
Okay.
now
Okay.
I'm being able to give the exam as well because it's online and ma'am is supporting me very well. Even though not being able to give exams, I can give it later onwards.
Yes, so it's very good to see, that support from the school also, because otherwise it is very difficult for any athlete to manage both the things at one time. And Priyanshi, second last question for you, that any other sport that you follow apart from tennis or you love to play?
Yes, I watch cricket and badminton.
Okay.
Personalities is Virat Kohli and Harmanpreet Kaur. Sachin Tendulkar and PV Sindhu inspires me a lot.
Yes. So did you watch the historic triumph by the India women 2025, the ODI World Cup
Uh,
win?
yes, I did with my
Yeah.
parents. The captain Harmanpreet Kaur
Yeah.
lifted the ODI World Cup. Uh, as a girl, I'm very proud of the ODI World Cup team.
Yes. Okay, sir. This is for you. For such a young player, it is injuries is a part and parcel of any athlete's career. So what do you think? The importance for any young athlete like her to know about the strength, the muscles, and the blood group.
Exactly. Actually, it's helps in better training, recovery, and injury prevention. Knowing details
Mm.
like strength, muscle conditioning, and even blood group can be important for medical support and overall performance of management.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Okay, last question for both of you, sir, and obviously Priyanshi. The ultimate dream representing India in top competitions.
No, it is just the beginning of my goal. My goal is to represent India in Junior Grand Slam and then in the women's category. My ultimate goal is winning an Olympic medal for India.
Lovely, lovely. Okay, thank you, Priyanshi, for joining in. Thank you, sir, for joining in. It was a lovely
Thank you.
chat, and I just wish good luck to all to Priyanshi, to you, for all the
Thank
success in the upcoming games. And I know that you will definitely continue this consistency going forward. Thank you, everyone, for
Thank you
joining in.
very much.
Thank you.
We would like to thank you, Bengal Tennis Association, for continuing supporting Priyanshi, and they are doing very good for the Bengal players. So thank you, BTA, for continuing supporting us.
Thank you, BT, a lot.